Tired of sending messages at odd hours or forgetting important reminders? Let's fix that by scheduling messages with Zapier. First things first, head over to Zapier.com and create a free account. If you haven't already, Zapier is the key to automating workflows between different apps. Once you're logged in, click on the Create Zap button to start building your automated workflow. This is where the magic begins. Now, let's set up the trigger. Search for Schedule by Zapier and select it. This will be the starting point that tells Zapier when to run your automation. You have several options for scheduling. You can choose every day, every week, every month, or even create a custom schedule. For this example, let's pick every day. Specify the time you want the message to be sent each day. Make sure to choose the correct time zone so your message doesn't get sent at 3 a.m. Next, it's time to choose the action app. This is where your message will actually be sent. Zapier integrates with tons of services like Gmail, Slack, SMS, and many more. Pick the one you'll be using. I will pick Gmail. Select the action you want to perform in your chosen app. In this case, since we chose Gmail, we'll select Send Email. Now, fill in the details for your message: the recipient's email address, your email address, the subject line, and the body of the message. You can customize this however you like. Before you activate the Zap, it's a good idea to test it. Click the Test Action button to send a test message to yourself and make sure everything is working correctly. If the test message looks good, congratulations! You're ready to activate your Zap. Just flip the toggle switch to on and your scheduled messages will now be sent automatically at the time you specify. And that's it. Now you can streamline your communication and ensure timely delivery of information with scheduled messages on Zapier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation hacks.